Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To microwave cook 900 watts from chilled, remove all packaging. Place sweet corn in a non-metallic bowl and add 2 tsps of water. Place in the microwave. Heat on full power for 4 minutes 30 seconds, turning halfway through.
Let's help you make your mark.
For just 1 or 2 ears of corn, microwave on high for 3 minutes. For 3 or 4 ears, microwave for 4 minutes. If you like softer corn or if your ears are particularly large, microwave for an additional minute. Allow to cool.
Take our lead.
Microwave method. Results vary depending on microwave. Put whole corn cob, or extracted kernels, into a medium-size paper bag. Fold the end of the bag over twice, and microwave on high heat until popping slows to between 2 to 3 seconds. Be careful of steam when you open the bag. Enjoy your popcorn on the cob.
Let's help you make your mark.
Place the ears of corn on a microwave-safe dish and cover with plastic wrap or a damp towel. Set the timer on the microwave for intermittent 10 to 20 seconds bursts of power. This will help the corn kernels warm up instead of just splitting open.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.